All right, it's Wesley with Expandacraft again. And if you can listen, there's a whippoorwill. There's a whippoorwill because it's the middle of the dang night and we're still working in the shop at Expandacraft on Joel's double rig. Now, he has, if you've followed our YouTube, he has a 6-foot one-side outrigger with 3 deck planks, which we have shown you. And now there's this monster. This monster is incomplete because we don't have a cross tube wide enough for this triple decking. Mostly because the crank kit for the anchor and this giant cup holder and the rails and all that gets in the way. And he wants 3 decks on either side of this 14-foot monstrosity of a kayak. Joel, please tell us, why do you need 2 3-foot by 6-foot decks on a kayak?
Sure, Wesley. Well, the reason is dance floors. So essentially the goal is 4 people can be on the kayak, 2 people here, 2 people there, put on some music. You can do salsa, bachata, zouk, whatever you want.
Maybe not waltz.
Maybe not a waltz. But you want this to be, this is a 3x6. So that should give you a comfortable dance floor so you're not falling off.
Hey, the West Coast swingers would like it. That's a slot dance, if you know what I'm talking about, folks. A slotted dance, meaning it dance in a slot.
That would be the reason for it. But like you said, we also have the option of just doing that one side if I just want to go fishing or snorkeling. I'm going to put a ladder on that side too.
A swim ladder that folds up, one of those telescoping style?
Yeah, this has a trolling motor in the back because it'd be a pain in the behind to pedal or row this thing. Oh,
there's no rowing. Yeah, this is a motorboat now.
You have to row from this end and then that end.
I'm waiting for you to get a bimini top for it. Okay, folks, like I said, we would have this thing in the water. We are burning the midnight oil. We've been here. This is the longest Expandacraft installation ever, but remember he's doing 2 different kits in one. It's called Expandacraft for a reason. And basically, if you can look at only this part is what he would have normally with his just going fishing, and he's only 6 feet wide, of course, with the outrigger attached, the Expandacraft hulls. But then he's got his party boat. And he wants to go out and just have a fun time. This guy is going to be popular on whatever waterway he goes. Folks, expandacraft.com. You have to think outside the box. The only limitation is your imagination as to what you can do with Expandacraft. Are you happy with your purchase?
Absolutely.
I think we're a little bit giddy from, it's been hot and sweaty. I haven't got the front door on the shop yet and the air conditioner going, and it's been Florida hot today, but we've had fans blowing on us, and now we got whippoorwills entertaining us for the evening. Expandacraft.com, folks. There is nothing on the market like this. Agreed?
Absolutely.
Expandacraft.com. Check us out. Like us.